Brilliant life hacks you need to know today. Ever wondered how some people always seem to have life figured out? Today, I'll share clever life hacks that can change your perspective on everyday situations. Let's dive in. Thinking about buying the latest gadget? Wait a couple of months, prices drop fast. Patience can save you a fortune. Starting a new job? Don't rush to fix everything. Complement what works, learn the team dynamics, and share your ideas wisely. At a fixed-price store? Ask for a 10% discount. It's bold but boosts your confidence. After a colleague's presentation, be the first to clap. Everyone appreciates instant support. When giving advice to teens, use personal stories. Your lessons stick better. Meeting a business contact outside work? Keep the chat light. They'll remember your positive vibe. Don't react as expected. Stay calm, smile through provocations, and keep people guessing. Mystery is your power. Never gossip. It reflects more on you than the person you're talking about. Respect people's passions and avoid teasing what they love. These life hacks aren't just tips, they're game changers. Which one will you try first? Share your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more amazing life hacks.